So in this video, we are going to attempt a question related to the potential. The question is, a bullet of mass m and charge q is fired towards a solid uniformly charged sphere of radius r and charge q. If it strikes the surface with speed u, find minimum speed or minimum value of u for which the bullet can penetrate the sphere. Now we can interpret it in terms of a diagram. So let us make a diagram. Let this be the sphere which is uniformly charged. Let the charge be equal to q. The charge on the sphere is q. Let this be the center C. Now a bullet is fired. Let the mass of the bullet be m and let the speed of the bullet be u as given in the question. The charge on the bullet is also plus q. So the charge on the bullet and on the sphere both is equal to q, the same charge. Okay. Now the bullet is fired with the speed u. Now that means when the bullet will go towards the sphere, it will face a repulsion from the sphere because of the same charges. Now that means that at the point when the bullet is on the surface of the sphere, it should have enough velocity to reach the center of the sphere. Now when the bullet reaches the center of the sphere, then at that point, if the velocity of the bullet is even slightly greater than 0, then the bullet will cross the center and then we do not have to do any work because the repulsion force will automatically push the bullet towards this side. So that means that the velocity at C at the center should be greater or approximately equal to 0, or we can say slightly greater than 0. Okay, so here we have two potential points, that is the surface and the center. Now we already know that the potential at the center of a solid sphere is given as 3 by 2 kq by r, and the potential at surface is given as kq by r. Now applying conservation of energy at the surface, there will be some kinetic energy of the bullet which can be given by half mu square, plus there will be some interaction energy or the potential energy at the surface which will be given by qvs, q into potential at the surface. The potential at the energy at the center of the sphere can be given by qvc. Now if the total energy initially before entering the sphere is slightly greater than the energy at the center, then the bullet will reach the center and will cross it. As soon as it crosses it, the repulsion from the charges on this side will push the bullet in this direction. Okay, so we have to find till center only. Now solving this, substituting the values of Vc and Vs here, we will come to the expression u square is greater than or equal to k q square upon mr, or u is greater than equal to root of k q square upon r. So this will be the answer, the expression for the minimum speed of u for which the bullet can penetrate the sphere.